Bob, we didn't even know what was coming from the sky today, I don't think.
Yeah, it's been a long time. A
Yeah.
long time since we've had rainfall, and it looks like more could be on the way Thursday as another cold front moves through. This next one's going to be a little bit colder than this one. This one really hasn't done much, except it's dried us out a little bit. Here's what's going on now. As far as the weather headlines go, well, some fog possible overnight. And some of that fog can be rather thick as the front is now well to our south. But another cold front arrives late Thursday, early Friday morning for us. And then the chill will be around for just a little while, though, not very long at all. As far as the viewer photos, Barb Wilson set this in just as the sun was setting. The skies cleared a little bit for that. Appreciate that one. Barb, high pressure continues to dominate now behind the front, and some drier air has slipped on in. What we have is the remnants of what was some shower and thunderstorm activity now pretty much winding down. This front will pull up stationary over South Florida, so they're not going to see the drier air there. We'll notice a little bit drier conditions. On top of that, maybe slightly cooler temperatures. You know, the highs lately have been in the low 80s, while highs will be into the mid 70s for the most part. Much colder in New York. They're getting some snowfall in upstate New York, stretching all the way over to parts of Connecticut as well as into near Rhode Island. Now, for us currently here, we have clear skies and 68 degrees. That's the cold front we had. Dew point now has been dropping, though. It's down to 66 degrees. Winds out of the southwest at 3. Those winds will switch around more to a northerly direction by tomorrow morning. The high today was warm, 80 degrees. We'll be closer to this number tomorrow, and 86, the record set back in 1994. This morning's low was summer-like. It's 72. Yes, we do get rain occasionally at the airport. We did get some today, quite a bit there, over an inch reported at the Sarasota-Bradenton Airport. And dew point temperatures already starting to drop, and this is what we look for sometimes more than temperatures to define where that air mass has changed. And it is starting to drop here into the mid-60s across Orlando as well as in here to Sarasota, but still up there at 78-degree dew point temperature in Key West. Actual temperatures now 58 in Tallahassee, 67 in Orlando, and 68 in Sarasota. And as the dew point and temperature get close to one another, there's always a potential for some fog forming. And I think we will see that. We're already starting to see that in some areas. The Gulf of Mexico water temperature now at 73 degrees. Temperatures around the area all pretty much in the upper 60s to low 70s. Forecast for Wednesday looks to be okay. We'll have the fog in the morning and then partly cloudy skies throughout the day. Temperatures will start off into the mid 60s and warm into the mid 70s by noon and continue that way all the way through about 3, 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So it should be a pleasant day, and it looks as though the rain is gone temporarily. The showers could be back though as early as Thursday evening as a result of that front kind of working its way back northward as a warm front. Well, the dry air is slowly sinking in. The moisture content is leaving and moving to the south and east of us. The Futurecast showing that line of clouds pretty close to Sarasota and Charlotte counties tomorrow, South Sarasota County anyway. We'll start off with the fog, and then that front kind of just hanging right there over Key West all the way through Miami. Then it starts to move northward, and a little action along it will bring a chance for showers, mainly on Thursday evening. Well, right now temperatures cold over the Northeast, extremely cold over the Northern Rockies. Billings, single digit there at 5 degrees now, and it's even cold in Dallas at 47. For boaters, a little bit of fog, winds out of the north at 10 knots. Seas will be 2 to 4 feet and a moderate chop. The water temperature now at 73, and it looks as though we will see an upcoming tide at 12:32. High tide will be at 5:13 tomorrow morning. And the 7-day forecast shapes up like this. Some fog to start the day off on Wednesday. Sunshine, though, and then Thursday, clouds increasing with a chance for showers. Cooler on Friday, highs only in the mid-60s, and then 47 for a low on Saturday morning. But it quickly warms up into the low 70s and mid-70s by Sunday.